I am a phone and I have a message for your mom. She called and said that you need to take your rash cream and that you are a stupid phone slob. Oh, and she said beluga.
Well, your dad called and said that you are a hole of darkness and you have no purpose to smell the weasel and that you are a double-wide RV caravan that wears glasses in the winter.
Wheeli says that you were as a checking my phony skills out and downloading your amazement apps.
At least I have amazement to provide, and I have the app for it, you hole of darkness. You go take a swim, get it, because you're a phone and you will die.
I will kill your face then feed it to my family.
I have a super reinforced screen and a screen protector, so. Ha 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 ha.
Fine, I'll lick you until you're soaking wet then explode my extra tuna out on your face.
Well, and touch your lobe. Meep.